As we grow older, there's one weakness that quietly steals independence from millions of seniors. IT doesn't arrive overnight. It shows up slowly in weaker legs, poor balance, and everyday fatigue. Most people blame aging, but aging isn't the real problem. The real issue is muscle loss, also known as age-related muscle weakness. After the age of 60, the body naturally loses muscle mass every year. This affects walking, standing, posture, and even simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Without proper nutrition, muscles weaken faster, increasing the risk of falls and long-term dependence. But there's one natural food that can help slow this process, and most seniors overlook it. That food is almonds. Almonds may be small, but they are packed with nutrients that directly support muscle health in seniors. They contain high-quality plant protein, which helps repair and maintain muscle tissue. They are also rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for proper muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Low magnesium levels are linked to muscle cramps, weakness, and fatigue, common complaints among older adults. Almonds also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from age-related damage and inflammation. Together, these nutrients help muscles stay stronger, more responsive, and more stable. Strong muscles don't just mean strength. They mean balance. They mean confidence. They mean being able to move freely without fear of falling or needing help. For seniors, maintaining muscle health is one of the most important steps towards staying independent. A small handful of almonds each day, around 10 to 12, is enough to support muscle function. They can be eaten alone, added to oatmeal, or mixed into yogurt. No expensive supplements. Just real food. Used consistently, growing older doesn't mean growing weaker. With the right nutrition, your body can stay strong, stable, and capable for years to come. Sometimes, the most powerful health choices are also the simplest.